Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my 10 things you didn't know about me video as I style my hair. All right, if you guys want to know 10 things about me that you didn't know, keep watching. Okay, well, I wanted to do something a little different on the channel. As you guys know, I've been trying to experiment a few different things. Some handbags, we got some sneakers, we do a little tech and every now and again, some makeup, some skincare, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So I felt like, you know, hey, y'all, let's get to know each other a little bit better. So I just decided to go ahead and give you guys a little bit more insight on who I am as a person. So here we are. I got some products in front of me. I am out of the shower. I actually put some of the product in my hair because this is the second time me recording this video. My lovely microphone was not turned on. So that was 20 minutes. I have to reshoot, but that's okay. I think I can do this better than the first one, so no big deal. So let's go into what's in front of me. We got our handy dandy bottle of water. We have our avocado oil, which I need to get more of. And our styling products today, we are using the Form Multitask Leave-In Lotion and the Form Define Style Cream. I'm going to do a full-on video on these products next week for you, so you all can know how I truly feel about this product that I've been wearing. This will be the last week. I've been wearing this for about a good month. And what I'm going to use to style my hair is this right here. This is a Afro and Twist comb that I picked up on Amazon. I actually saw this on Instagram, jumped on Amazon, picked it up. I got this back in July actually, last summer. So let's get on with the get on and pull up my phone. Pull out my little list of 10 things about me. Let's just get right into it, okay? Number one, I'm the youngest of 4 girls. My poor father, who is in the picture right over here, was in a house full of women. My mama, my sisters, and then then my niece was born. It was just, man, my poor father. How the heck did he do it? He worked a lot. I'm going to say this. He worked a lot. He worked a lot because he had to feed. He had to feed all us. And I was the biggest eater. I'm going to admit to that. I used to eat. I still eat. What am I talking about? But I used to try to keep up with him and eat, which was hilarity. And I couldn't keep up with him. I don't know what made me think I could keep up with my daddy. No, it wasn't happening. But I am the youngest of 4 girls. And I love all 3 of my oldest sisters a lot. And they all watch my channel. Hi, guys. Hi. So, but yeah, it's pretty cool to be in a full woman. And we are a woman heavy family, too. That's the funniest part. That's another funny part about it. So we all... it's great to have sisters, and I love having sisters, and I would never change it. Number 2, I am a social introvert. When I go out and I meet new people, I kind of stand back and I let that person kind of tell me who they are as a person, because I am not overly forthcoming when I first meet you about who I am as a person. And that's because a lot of people misrepresent themselves when they first meet people, or they don't give the full thing of who they are. And that kind of annoys me. So I kind of stand back and I let you tell me who you are. And that's the thing. And it's not that I think I'm better or anything. I'm just, I need to know who you are before I start spilling myself or spilling my life. This stuff is thick. Just to let y'all know. This is some thickness. Actually, I'm just going to put my finger in and do that. Get out a little bit because I have some already in my hair. So, yeah, I'm an introvert. And socially, I don't do a lot of social. either. I don't socialize too much. Not anymore, like I used to. I used to go out every weekend and stuff like that. I just don't do that. And you'll find out a little later on why I don't. Number 3. As you see behind me, I love music. I have a turntable right here. Trying to get my finger to coordinate there. I have a USB turntable back there that I can actually convert all my albums to MP3s, I believe. And then they can go onto my computer. And I love music. This is actually more so this side. Is the album collection that I grew up with. My parents were huge into music. Music was always played in our house. And I took to that, and I still take to that. I love listening to music. When I'm at work and I have headphones on, I don't want to be bothered because, one, it helps me concentrate on the task at hand. And 2, when a good song is on, please don't disturb me. That annoys me to death. But I do love me some music. Number 4, I almost said 5. Almost about to skip this, which is very important to my love of music, is that back in 2002, I learned how to DJ. Shout out to FlyDX, who is one of my subscribers, and he was my DJ teacher. He actually called me and was like, you want to learn how to DJ? And I was like, okay. So on Saturday nights, I used to go over to his house and I learned how to DJ. It was so cool to like kind of, one, see his album collection, and he's, a pretty known DJ, and I think he still has a show on the radio, which that's something else you guys don't know. And I didn't write that down, and I'm kind of surprised I didn't. That might be a extra nugget, but I learned how to DJ. I learned how to blend and all of that. Scratching was one thing that's where I stopped, because I needed to have my own set back then so I can learn how to scratch. Something I didn't learn how to do. But later on, I ended up buying a set, headphones, 2 turntables, had had everything. But I had to let it go, unfortunately, due to some circumstances we're not going to get into. So I ended up having to sell it, but I did learn, and that was probably some of the best times. And I am going to get another set, and I am going to get back into it. Number 5, I do not legally have a middle name. This has been a bit of a thing that's been annoying because all my sisters have middle names and I don't. When I was 16 years old, I went to get my mom lost my birth certificate. So I had to go to like records, I think, out in Clayton. And because I was born in the county. Everybody else was born in the city. I was born in the county. And I had to go get my birth certificate. And I read said birth certificate, and there were some things on there that were omitted. And the most important thing that was omitted was the fact that I had no middle name. I'm like, Gussy, they got middle names. I ain't get no middle name. And there were some stories told. I'm not even going to get into the stories, but I do not have a middle name. So I went through high school with my middle name, graduated with it. But college, I do not use my middle name because legally, it's not legally there. I mean, yes, I could pay and get it, but I don't feel like the need to pay to, add a name. I am the same person no matter what. I'm still that person. Number 6, I am a complete and utter planner. I do not like the fly by the seat of your pants thing. It really annoys me. It seriously annoys me. If someone says, okay, we're going to do something on such and such a date, okay, fine. I plan my day around that. If it doesn't happen, then I have to realign my day, and it slightly annoys me. But I kind of have, I have a plan A, B, and C basically. So I make sure, like, okay, if I'm not going here, I'm gonna go here instead, and I can probably still take care of what I need. So I do it like that. So I like to plan. I have I did electronic planning before. I was not a huge fan of it. It didn't work so well for me. So I went back to paper planning, and I have a actual paper planner, which is in the living room, and I love my paper planner. And I kind of wish I could do more in the planner, but I could make it the way I want to. So I am a complete and utter planner. Number 7. I don't watch a lot of TV. The reason why I don't watch a lot of TV is because I have, my schedule's crazy. I have to get up very, very early. I'm not going to reveal the time that I get up, but I get up very early. If you ever catch me on Instagram around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, I've been up for a while. So that tells you right there, I am up really early. And my work day is long. So I have a long work day, my commute to work, things like that. And I come home and I come home to do homework. I'm filming sometimes, or I'm editing. Sometimes I come home and work overtime for my actual job too. I may work from home, but I don't have time to watch a lot of TV. I just started watching more Hulu and Netflix, which I think we're going to watch some stuff on Netflix. I think The Assassination of Gianni Versace is on Netflix now. I think we're going to binge watch that tonight because we are not watching the Super Bowl because both teams suck and I don't watch the NFL. I only watch college. So I think that's what we might watch. I don't know. But yeah, I don't watch a lot of TV. Number 8. 8 and 9 are together, so I'm going to do 8 and 9 together. Number 8, I love to collect things. And number 9, I'm a fanatic. What I mean by fanatic is this. I love to collect things. As you see behind me, I have, like I said, I have my parents' music collection, which is here. And then this side, I will actually have to break down my collection for you. This side is R&B, jazz, pop, rock. This side is all hip hop. I just put all the hip hop on that side. It used to be subsectioned, but I never got around to resubsectioning everything. On this side are my DVDs. I have a huge DVD collection. The collection used to be bigger, but I went through a breakup and the DVDs were split. I'm not going to talk about some of the DVDs that I lost, but I did get them back. Anyway, behind the camera is my shoe collection, including my sneaker collection. You guys have seen some of them, but there's a whole lot more you haven't seen. I also have a sunglass collection. I have a lot of collections, and I am a fanatic about a lot of pretty much all of my collections, including my handbag collection, and you all have seen a lot of new editions of that collection. But yes, I love to collect things. I do watch my DVDs. I do listen to my albums, wear all my shoes and things like that. But I like to collect. And then I'm a fanatic about it. And number 10, and the final thing, let me get the front of my hair real quick because the front is just not going the way I like it to. And it's because my hair is growing. So I don't know how much longer I can do my twist. I may have to start doing twist outs really, really soon, which I'm okay with that. I've been waiting to do twist outs for a while. So the 10th and final thing that you guys don't know about me, well, you know part of it. You guys know I am in college at the moment. I am a junior in college, on the road to get my degree in marketing. But this is not my first go round at college. This is actually my second go round at college. Back in 1996, I obtained my associate's degree in interior design. And I was 18, I was young, and this is what I wanted to do. I always wanted to be an interior designer ever since I was like probably 8 years old, just looking at beautiful homes and pictures. And I said, I want to learn how to do that. I want to make a home look like that. and I went to school to do it. I did design kitchens and bathrooms for a little while, and that wasn't really what I wanted to do. I really wanted to do hotel and hospitality design. I also wanted to do sound and lighting, but I didn't get into those avenues. So I didn't really use my degree the way I wanted to. But now I am obtaining a degree that I think actually works for me now, especially doing YouTube. You have to market yourself in YouTube. So I think getting a marketing degree was probably one of the best things I did. Reason why I ended up getting going for marketing. For a while at my office, I was helping with our social media, and I thought it was very interesting learning things about it. So I was like, maybe this is something I want to go to school to do. So I just went on and said, okay, this is what I'm going to do. And I went back to school, and also I actually go online. I don't go on campus. When I was 18, I was on campus, which 18 can be dangerous, but going as an adult is a whole different animal in itself. And I think I am going to do a video about going back to school at an older age and the differences of my mindset then and now. And just school in general is different for me now than it was back then. So that it is something that it's different. So if you guys do want to see that video, make sure you thumbs up this video and hit me below and say, yes, you want to see this video. And that's it. We are all done with this video. My hair is fully styled. The microphone is on. I did a whole 20-minute video, for real. It was a whole 20-minute video. Was done, did my thumbnail, and then looked up to turn the mic off and was like, are you freaking kidding me? It was never on. So, that's the thing about doing YouTube. So I'm gonna get out of here. I have to do meal prep and I have some overtime to do, and it's getting late and I'm running out of time. So if you guys have any questions on any of the 10 things about me, talk to me below. The only question I'm not gonna answer is about my middle name, but I will answer this question before you ask. My middle name was supposed to be Renee. That I will tell you. And that's all. I'm gonna get out of here. Like I said, I got stuff to do. So, like I said, talk to me below. Thumbs up and subscribe to this video. And and to my channel. And I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta go. Shoot. Love, peace, hair products, and all that fun stuff. Bye.